Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Ipsy, so let's get into it and check it out. I believe this is my Ipsy Plus. I'm not sure, so let's just dig right into it. It's not sealed. That doesn't make me nervous at all. I'm sure that it all got here just fine. Oh, it smells really good. I think I might have added items to this. Wow, she is full. If you are new to Ipsy, this is the Ipsy Plus bag. You will have 5 full-size products. You will choose 3. They will give you categories with several items in it. You can pick 1 item from each of those categories. So while you don't pick exactly what's going to be in your bag, you pick exactly what's going to be in your bag from the choices they give you, which is awesome because if you lean more skincare or makeup, as long as there are good choices for both, you get to decide which way your bag leans. I will put all of the pricing down below with an Ipsy link. I am not an affiliate. It's just a link to go over and check it out. So this is what the bag looks like this month. And you always hear me when I unbox my blush boxes. I talk about the Ipsy bags that I put them in to put the bath bombs all over my bedroom, all of the bath products actually, all over my bedroom in drawers and in my closet. These are the bags that I use because they let the scent still get out. Kind of like I can smell there's something in here that smells good and I don't know what it is, but it keeps it contained. So I love getting these each month. So this is a $28 bag. Like I said, I will have 5 full-size products. I will have picked 3 of them from the choices that I had, and I did a couple of add-ons. We're just gonna reach right in here, and right out we have our paperwork that says, "You've got this, September 2022." And that is what that looks like. On the inside of our Plus, we never have the information. I never have the information about my bag. I don't think anybody gets it with the Plus, but they usually give us information of some sort. This is our fall glam guide. 3 makeup trends that you will see everywhere. Glazed donut skin. The new smoky eye. Okay, I'm intrigued. And monochromatic draping. Give your go-to blush another life by sweeping it over your cheekbones and lids for easy yet impactful makeup. All right, reaching in first, I have this. Looks like it got a little squished on the way. It is the Lifestyle Co. Radiant Glow Botanical Oil Cleanser. Brightens and nourishes. That is what it looks like. I do like an oil cleanser now that we are back to winter because I like to use this to take off my makeup and then I second cleanse with sometimes the Erna Laszlo soap. It just depends. This is something they chose for me, so let's see if I can use it. I can use it. So let's open it up and see what it smells like. So it's an botanical oil cleanser. I said I would use it as a first cleanse, but you know what? I just did a lot of that. Can you see that it looks like it wants to get white and foamy? So, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells citrusy and lovely. So this might not actually need a second cleanse because can you see the whiteness on my hand? So it might actually be something that can be done just once. I'll tell you what, I just wiped it off with this. I was so glad I remembered this time to bring something down here to clean up with. But if we get any makeup or anything on the back of my hand, we'll try and take it off with that. I have my iPad right here, so let me tell you what they say about this. It has a $49 value. Wow, so that way covers the cost of the bag. And it says break down makeup and build up with this vitamin enriched oil cleanser that uses nutrients from aloe, rosehip, and bergamot to help clear your clogged pores and remove impurities, while jojoba, olive, and grapeseed oils help to nourish your dry skin. Use as the first step of your double cleansing routine. So they do want you to use it as a first step. Next out of the bag, we have something. Usually these boxes are Natasha. Yep, Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. Okay, I think I own this. So I am not going to swatch this. That is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Yeah, I think I own this one. So I'm going to just show you guys just like that. I am not going to put my hands in it. It is gorgeous, but if I leave it as is, I can pass it along. So that is what that looks like. And the paperwork says it has a $42 value. Fall in love with this crush-worthy cream blush in a vibrant chili pepper red shade, paired with a luminous highlighter that work together so perfectly you'll think they were brought together by Cupid's bow. Quite the lovely picture it paints. Just for the record, if this ends up in a giveaway, there's a rather odd swirl near the inside line of it. It's just part of the makeup. It hasn't been touched. Well, hasn't been touched here. Okay, I've already messed up. I do know, because I have my iPad here, I do know what I picked, but I said that they sent me this. No, I chose it. So they chose the Natasha Denona for me, and they chose this lippy for me. So let's talk about the lippy, but I chose this. So had I known that, I would have known that the ingredients were okay. This is a Complex Culture lip, and like I said, they chose it for me. Complex Culture is an Ipsy brand, and this is in Legend. That is what it looks like, and in theory, that's the color. So it looks like they picked a good color for me. I do have lips on. This is a really weighted component, so that feels kind of posh. Oh yeah, it's a very pretty color. That's what that looks like. Let's just go ahead, since I have lippies on. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is going to be beautiful for fall, and oh, it's perfect for me. I love that. That is beautiful. Oh, and it smells like a cupcake. I like the way it smells too. All right, very pretty. They say it has a $24 value, and it is the Complex Culture Pout Clout Nourishing Lipstick in Legend. This nourishing formula gives you the best of both worlds, the feel and comfort of a balm, plus the intensity and color payoff of a traditional lipstick. Well, that sounds lovely. And I had a little bit of that cleanser still on here, and one swipe took this right off my hand. So I don't know if that speaks more to the lipstick or the cleanser, because it still smells good, of the cleanser, but clean. Okay, I also chose for myself, and this is hard to believe, but I remember why I did it. I chose this mascara, and I have had this before. I think I had it as a sample. I don't think that I had it as a full size, and it is the Item Lash Snack. And the reason they call it a lash snack, in all fairness, nobody consulted me. I'm not positive why they call it a lash snack. I decided the reason is because the brush is smaller on this, more like a snack instead of a great big fluffy brush, which is why I got it again, because you guys know I love my Thrive Cosmetics. But it's a tubing mascara, and tubing mascaras, if they get wet, can start to come off, which isn't a problem. I'm not spending my life out there swimming. Except sometimes my left eye, and I haven't been having this problem lately, so hopefully it has passed, but sometimes my left eye will just weep. It just starts dripping. That sounds very dramatic. It leaks a little bit. So on my bottom lash, I like to use a regular mascara, and look at this. Yep, I got the right one. Whew, I was worried I did it wrong. Look how tiny that brush is. It's short and it's thin, so I decided that's why they called it Lash Snack. I mean, this is a good long mascara, but the brush is tiny, so I find this to be perfect for my bottom lashes. I got it in Midnight Mood. They say it has a $15 value, and it's snack time. This healthy formula gives your lashes the ultimate treat, out of this world volume and nourishing growth boosters. So that's probably actually why they call it snack. Conditioners like castor seed oil, glycerin, and coconut oil coat the lashes in a smudge-proof and protective layer to keep them strong and healthy. Okay, so the snack is actually that it's feeding it good stuff. Nothing to do with the size. And my last choice, brushes. I can't even tell you the last time I had brushes. It's been a while, and I could use some new brushes. Because if I didn't get new brushes, I was going to have to clean the ones I have. Please tell me you've been there too, where you've been like, oh, I've got to clean my brushes. Oh, look, I got a new brush. These looked so pretty to me. Aren't they pretty? They were black with this pink that you could hold. They are from the YC collection, which in all fairness, I did not know, but I just really liked the way they look. And it came with a blender, which I do 99.9% of my makeup application with a blender, but it also had this, but it was good and wide, so I thought I might like that for concealer. And then just a nice, you could use it for blush. Actually, it's very light, so it would be great for like a highlighter. I just like the way they look. I mean, I thought it was a very classic look with the black and the pink. This says that they have a $45 value, so it would make them $15 a piece. Probably not. They feel nice, and I will give them a try. And I am not a brush snob. Some of my favorite brushes are like the SL Miss Glam, and I love a Luxie brush. I have Y03, Y04, and Y05. No collection is complete without these essential brushes. You can easily blend out your favorite makeup and complexion products with these high quality brushes. The bristles are silky but firm enough to flawlessly distribute makeup products for a flawless looking face. They are very soft. This feels very nice. All right, so no regrets there. I like this very much. So those were my 5 products. They chose 2. I chose 5. And in addition to that, when I was in the add-ons, I saw a couple of things that I wanted. I picked up a Refreshments Brilliant Body Bar in coconut. I have had a couple of their soaps now, and I really like them. I'm on my second one of the 2, and I passed over other things to take the second one. This has made my whole bag smell amazing. It's a cross between coconut, which is what it is. It's coconut colada, I would say. And you're gonna hear this and you're gonna be like, but is that good? I think so. I would say this is a cross. That is what it looks like on the front. This is a cross between coconut and Play-Doh. I can't tell you why. I can't tell you. Pez and Play-Doh are scents that my nose seeks out. I don't know what is in them that makes that olfactory just go right to it, but yeah, there is something about this that makes me think Play-Doh, and I'm here for it. And my other choice is a Pear Nova product, which I have had some of their hand and body lotions before, and I got this in Aloha, or is in aloe, A-L-O-E, ha, Aloha, because it's aloe colored. I thought for my nails, this was just a great fall color. I like the greenness of it, that it's kind of almost sagey, not, but almost sagey. I just thought it would be great for fall. And I wanted to try it. Let's see if they have the wide brush like I like. I couldn't tell from the picture. You guys know I love a thin but wide brush. Let's see. What do they do? No, it's fine. This is just a basic, normal, everyday brush. I do like the color though. Okay, that was my Ipsy Plus. I liked it. It is $28. I got more value than that just in the cleanser that I picked. So I picked the cleanser, the brushes, and the mascara. They picked for me, and this is ironic, the lipstick and the blush duo. So I always say that I don't get enough makeup to suit me in some of my boxes, but they chose 2 makeups. I guess I only chose one that wasn't a makeup. I love it when my boxes are makeup heavy. We've talked back and forth, a lot of us, about whether we prefer skincare or makeup, and when I start using a face lotion, I'm going to use it until it's gone. But if I have 4 blushes, I can use one today and one tomorrow and one the next day. I can bebop back and forth, and I just don't do that with skincare. So I can work more makeup into my routine. Okay, let me know what you think. I think it was a good bag. The cleanser smells amazing, so if my face likes it, that is fantastic. I have tried this. I know I like it. It is great. It'll be especially great on my bottom lashes. This, I mean, Natasha Denona. How awesome is that? I think I own it already. So I will set this aside to pass on. And then this lippy was perfect for me. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you taking the time. By the way, the front of this says, "You got this," which I also like the affirmation. Thank you for taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. You'll have some fun. Put on a really nice fall lipstick and take yourself somewhere fun. Bye, guys.